You're asking why your insurance premium went up, even with a perfect driving record. The answer is probably sitting in your own driveway. Yes, your car is almost certainly reporting how you drive to data companies, and your insurer is buying that report. Inside your car, there's a little box called a Telematics Control Unit, or TCU. Think of it like the car's own cell phone. It has its own SIM card and is always connected. On most new cars from makers like GM, Honda, Toyota, or Subaru, it's set up by default to watch how you drive through programs like OnStar Smart Driver or Toyota's Insure Connect. It doesn't know if you avoided a crash, it just logs the raw numbers. The two big flags are hard braking and rapid acceleration. A hard brake isn't just a panic stop. The system defines it as slowing down faster than 7 miles per hour in a single second. So, a quick, safe stop for a yellow light can get you a demerit. These events get logged, time-stamped, and sent straight to the car maker. You never see a warning light on the dash. That driving data doesn't just sit with the car company. They package it up and sell it. The main buyer is a data broker called LexisNexis Risk Solutions. They take all those little events and compile them into a file on you, called a Consumer Disclosure Report. This is the report insurance companies buy when it's time to renew your policy. This is how you can have 0 claims and 0 tickets, but your rate still goes up. The insurer sees a report that says you're a risky driver, based on data you didn't even know was being collected. And if you try to argue a specific event, it's no use. The car maker will just say their sensor data is accurate. They trust the machine more than the driver. You might be wondering how you signed up for this. It's usually buried deep in the terms and conditions you agree to when you first set up your car's connected app on your phone. By clicking Agree, you gave permission for this data to be collected. So, how do you stop it? It's a 2-step fix, and you have to do both. First, you need to cut off the data stream from the car. Open your car maker's app on your phone, the one you use for remote start, or checking tire pressure. Go into the settings for the Connected Services program, find the Driving Feedback or Smart Driver feature, and unenroll. This tells the car to stop sending new data, but that only stops future reports. Your past driving history is still on file. The second, and most critical step, is to freeze that file. You have to go to the LexisNexis Consumer Portal online. The site can be a little confusing, but look for the option to request a security freeze on your report. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives you the right to do this. A freeze blocks most companies, including insurers, from pulling your report when they're pricing out a new policy or a renewal. If you only unenroll from the app, your old driving report can still be bought by your insurer at your next renewal. You have to do both steps to solve the problem. Do this before your policy renews. It's the only way to be sure your own car isn't raising your rates.